Let's learn about WCAG 2.1 Success Criterion 2.3.3 Animation from interactions. This criterion requires that animations triggered by interactions can be paused, stopped, or hidden by users. This criterion applies to any animations that are triggered by user interactions, such as clicking or tapping. For example, parallax scrolling with option to turn off unnecessary motion globally. To implement Success Criterion 2.3.3 in code, here are some examples of best practices. Provide control options. Provide users with options to pause, stop, or hide any animations triggered by interactions, such as buttons or toggles. Use appropriate ARIA attributes. Use appropriate ARIA attributes, such as ARIA expanded or ARIA hidden, to indicate the state of the animation and provide feedback to users. Here's an example of how to provide control options in JavaScript. In this example, the code adds a click event listener to a toggle element, which can be used to pause, stop, or hide the animation. When the toggle element is clicked, the code checks if the animation is playing or not and takes appropriate action to either pause and hide the animation or play and show the animation. The code also updates the text content of the toggle element to reflect the current state of the animation. This example meets Success Criterion 2.3.3 by providing users with control options to pause, stop, or hide the animation triggered by the user interaction. Here's an example of how to use ARIA attributes in HTML. In this example, the HTML code uses the ARIA expanded attribute to indicate the state of the toggle button, with a default value of false. The ARIA controls attribute is used to associate the toggle button with the animation element, which has a role of animation. The ARIA hidden attribute is used to hide the animation element by default. This example meets Success Criterion 2.3.3 by using appropriate ARIA attributes to indicate the state of the animation and provide feedback to users.